So we are in the backyard doing a sprinkler test. Um, oops. Well, those are okay. Those are okay. Problem. Let's see, where's the other? Right now, the next zone is coming on. So 5, 3, 4. Just wait for the next zone. So here's the next zone. As you can see, a lot of waters are coming out. Same thing. Right here, it filled up, the whole water is leaking inside here. And same thing, there's another one. I'm just doing the same thing. This is our only issue when it's on. And so it's not a big issue as long as it's working okay for right now. This I can come another day to make it work better. Here's another sprinkler issue. As you can see, it's just coming out all crazy. It's not coming out properly. So there are several sprinkler hit like that that's having a problem that need to be checked. And some of them need to be replaced, some of them need to be just completely taken out and clean out all the dirt. Things like that. That's what I want to show to you. It's the same thing for the front. Right now the guy is putting some dirt, and so that's what needs to be done. The front is repaired. This one is all repaired. New one put it in, so it's all good. The other major issue that I ran into, see, this one was a raindrop attachment, small little hose run around for a raindrop. The problem is, I don't know where they are, they're all missing, and water was jetting out to the ground. And so I did this myself. I just capped it, this one, so no more water coming out of here. Same thing over there. I capped it, put a cap, so no more water come out of there, because the water was shooting to the ground and causing water, force of water underground. So it's a big issue. The guy's gonna charge a lot of money, so I'll cap this one and then come back another time. Maybe I'll just put a sprinkler head and solve the problem. So that's it. And there are several sprinkler pop up over there. They're all working. It's just that some of them just not the best. So it needs some dirt and stuff, like probably clogged up. And some of them probably need to replace. But right now it's okay. Finished spreading some seed. The guy went to get some more. It was not enough to cover completely over there at the edge. And let's see what else. Yeah, so he went to get some more seed to put some more. It's going to be 3 weeks watering twice daily twice for 3 weeks, and then you just go back to regular routine, no grass cutting for a month. And he'll guarantee. So if he doesn't do it right, he'll come back here and then do the reseed, whatever that needs to do to make this repair.